How to install the Xbox application on your phone. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily install the Xbox app on your phone. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is find your App Store or Google Play Store if you're using your Android, and go ahead and open up your store. And from there, make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, what you want to do is go ahead and tap on the search bar and then search for Xbox. Once you do that, just hit enter and the official app from Microsoft will show up. Just tap on install and it will automatically start downloading on your device. Now, after that, you can also try Xbox Beta, where you will find different unreleased updates that you can try out. It also has an app called Xbox Game Pass where you are able to connect all of your Game Pass on your Xbox through this through app. So that is pretty much it how you install Xbox on your phone. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you on the next one.